Yo, what's up, people? We back again. It's your boy Will Just Sazzle. And check it out. I'm about to give y'all a rundown of all my e-bike upgrades, modifications that I've done to it. This is the whole rundown now because let me let y'all know something. I'm about to get rid of this e-bike. I'm done with it. I'm tired of it. I ain't really tired of it, but it's just not fast enough. It can't get me far enough, fast enough. So I got something else to show y'all into this video as to why I decided to go ahead and upgrade the e-bike.
He likeable. No goofies, no goofies in my squad.
Let me show y'all everything about it real quick. Put y'all on. Okay. So we're gonna start from the top. Start from the top and work our way down. Let's go ahead and turn it off. Start off with the handlebars. Handlebars is the first thing we got. I got those off of Amazon. I'm gonna try to add the link for y'all if I can find it. But it says Wake Best Bicycles Comp Series A16 061. Boom. We got them handlebars on there. Those are custom. After the handlebars, the display. This bike originally came with a vertical display, and it wasn't a color screen. When I got the NB Power motor kit and all that, the new display came with it. It's color. It's got a lot more options than the original display. Boom. So we also got here on the handlebars, we got this turn signal, Bluetooth signal up there, and that's gonna trigger my turn signals back here. Let me pull those out. I got rear turn signals that I added right from Amazon. If I hit this left, you will see the left blinking off right there like that. It also blinks on the controller up here, but you can't see it because it's too bright outside. If I hit the right side, it gives a different tone and it sets off the right blinker. Very bright at night. I like it. It also comes with a little horn feature right there because the bike don't got one naturally. Well, it had one, but when I put my new controller in, let's talk about this new controller next. The new controller, which is powering the rear motor back here. You know what I'm saying? So you got the controller in here. This bad boy is 45 amps. It's pretty cool. It's just pretty much getting everything going between the display and the motor back there. We got the headlight. That's new, custom. I had to get a new headlight because when I got the new controller, the original Ridstar headlight wouldn't connect to the controller. So boom, new headlight tied in. I got a switch right here for the headlight. This will activate it if I flip that switch. And you see this halo comes on. I don't know if y'all can see it, it's bright outside, but the halo stays on at all times if I hit that switch. Also here, I added in a switch to let me control high beams, low beams of my headlight. So if I turn on the low beams, you got lows. Turn on the high beams, you got high beams, just like that. Low beam, high beam swag. All right, so yeah, boom. So that's headlights. That is handlebars, display. Let's make our way. Oh no, we ain't done with the handlebars. We got these mirrors right here that we added on Amazon. That we got from Amazon. Some mirrors. Nice to see what's behind us, what's coming up. Little rear views. Give it that Peabody look. You know what I'm saying? I like that. Kill these lights. And let's make our way down to the battery. We got the 72 volt. We got the 48 volt. Give y'all a view of this side. You can see I'm at 77 volts right now. I'm above 72 volts because my battery percentage is up. Whenever I'm above half, it's giving me a little bit more than 72 volts, but I'm only pulling in 72 from the settings of my display. So the controller's only allowing 72 from it. So boom, we got the 72 volt, we got the 48 volt battery back here, both 20 amp hour. I got these rigged in here with Velcro straps, strapping my bigger battery to the front of the frame of the bike, and also Velcro strapping it to the top of the frame of the bike. Got that in there real secure, you know what I'm saying? Let me zoom out a little bit. Zoom out just a little bit. So we got that like that. Coming out of this side, I got more Velcro holding my back battery to the front. And then I got another strap here holding my back battery into the frame. Real secure. It's in there. Tupac secure. You feel me? Got that thing secure. We got these new tires with a lot of tread on them still. They still basically new, you ask me. Moped tires. You know what I'm saying? What? 20x4. Check them out. The original tires that came with this bike were like dirt bike tires, and I burned up the stubs. Riding on the street, riding on roads, I guess I burned them up. But these tires are made for the road. Good grip, all that. Next up, we got the tail light back here. This is my tail light. It comes off. It's Bluetooth. Basically how this thing works, I don't know if you can even see it, it's so bright. How this thing here works, it's got motion detection. So when I stop, it'll actually, well, it's got different modes because it flashes. It's got different modes I can set it to. I usually just keep it in that basic mode right there. So when I slow down on this thing, it gets brighter. When I speed up, it gets slower. It's like an automatic tail light, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too shabby. Not too shabby. But we got the rear pegs that we added back here. That's my normal footrest where I rest my feet at. Usually. Now if I got a passenger back here, I'm gonna let them get those. But then I just added front pegs, and I just removed the, what do you call it? I just removed the pedals, and I also removed the whole gear system. The whole gear system came out, so now you can see I just got a spinning gear back there because I got no chain, none of that. Pegs on both sides, and yeah. This bag right here, I got this bag off Amazon as well. It does a good job at holding all my stuff in, controllers, wires. It's also waterproof, so when I zip it up, it gets rained on, nothing happens. I'm still rolling. I'm still, you know what I'm saying? Pulling that throttle. Yes, sirski. Next up, we're gonna talk about the alarm system, which you guys can't see it. I got it installed under the seat to where somebody can't get to it and rip it out. But if I turn my bike off, you'll hear it letting you know it's alarm. We got this key fob right here. Check out this key fob. If I hit unlock, you'll hear 2 chirps. If I lock it, you get 1 chirp. I got a panic button, letting, you know what I'm saying, just making some noise. If I need to find it, if I'm lost in the parking lot, where do I park my bike? Hit that panic button, it'll sound off. It also comes with an auto start. That's this lightning bolt. That's this lightning bolt feature. So if I hit this auto start, watch this. I think you gotta hold it. So boom, the bike turns on, and it's actually ready to ride after it turns on like that. It's ready to hop on and go. So auto start, you feel me? And if you want to turn it back off from auto start, you just lock it. Or you hit the unlock button. That unlocked it, then you relock it. Boom, now it's locked again. And this is one of the best features of the alarm system. While it's locked, I got the bike engaged, the alarm engaged. So if I bump it, it goes off. Also, the back tire locks up. It won't let me roll. It won't let me roll it forward. You feel me? It stops for a second, but then it'll come right back every time you touch it. So that's how the alarm system works. You're not gonna find no e-bike like this. Let's sit it down. You're not gonna find no e-bike like this, yo. With the alarm system, auto start, it gets crazy. Okay, I'm about to lift this back tire and show y'all some top speed with no weight added to it. 43 miles an hour, no weight. No, that's no weight. I weigh about 150 pounds, so I can get up to about 38 miles, 40 miles an hour on this bad baby. Okay, people, that's it for the e-bike upgrades. That's what my e-bike got to bring. That's what it's offering. You know what I'm saying? That's how she rocking. Y'all see her. I'm finna get rid of her pretty soon, like I said. But I'm finna show y'all what I just got. I'm finna show y'all the new bike. The new bike. And it's something, it ain't nothing fast, you know what I'm saying? But she look amazing. She look crazy. Matter of fact, sit back, let me show y'all what I've been working on. All right, just sit back for a second. Hold on. Y'all see what the helmet look like? Ooh. Ooh, what the rest of it doing? Ooh. 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 What the rest of it doing? Ooh. Hold on, cuz. Got that Beamer bike. Hold on, BMW G310R. Stop playing, little 300. Yes, sir. New ski. New ski, like what it do, ski. This how we getting out. This how we finna be moving around to different parks. We gonna be having the skates with us. Doing all that, doing all that. We got up to about 90 miles top speed. That's about enough for what we about to be doing and learning, you know what I'm saying? Beginner bike, it's my first bike, check it out. She knew. She knew. The helmet too. Alright, so that's basically all we got for this video, man. If you guys liked it, don't forget to leave that like on it. Drop a subscribe if you want to see more content from your boy Will Ninja Sizzle. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all next time. We out of here.